Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arun Reddy, Consultant Neurosurgeon Endoscopic Spine Surgeon at Care Hospitals, Hyderabad. So let us know what exactly is neck pain. Pain in the back of the neck, which starts from the lower part of the head up till the nape of the neck. That is called neck pain. It is categorized into acute neck pain as well as chronic neck pain. People who suffer more than 12 weeks of neck pain are called as chronic neck pain. Now let us talk about the preventive aspects of neck pain. So one of the most important preventive aspect is absolutely try to avoid lifting heavy weights. Heavy weights means more than 8 kilos. If you want to lift, you have to make sure that you always lift it 2 hands, and try to avoid prolonged extending of your neck or flexing of your neck for a long time. Especially in people who be on phones continuously, make sure that you always keep your phone at your eye level. You never place your phone down and look down and watch. Because of that, a new term has been introduced into the medical directly, what is called text neck. Because of continuous straining of the neck by bending the neck forward, they get pain. That is called text neck. So try to make sure that you always keep your mobile at your eye level, and when especially the software professionals who work in front of system, you always make sure that you sit on a proper chair which has got a back rest as well as neck rest and is always supported. And the table whatever we use, you have to make sure that the underpass of the table is always empty and the chair always slides under the table, so that your both forearms are always rested on the table and the keyboard is placed quite far, so that your hands get supported and your shoulders never droop. When your shoulders never droop, there is little strain on your neck, and you always have to make sure that the desktop is placed further far away from the keyboard, so that whenever you sit, you always keep your neck straight, only you bend your eyes when you see the monitor. The maximum sitting time is around 30 minutes. After you cross 30 minutes, you always make sure that you be gently off the system, gently stretch your neck back and forth, side to side, and go back to work again. And this should be a repetition for every 30 to 40 minutes. The people who especially work in front of monitor. Okay. And again, dietary aspects are also important. Always make sure that you introduce good amount of calcium, vitamin D as well as vitamin B12 in your diet, which is important for the spine health. So eat healthy, which consists of having a glass full of milk, a couple of egg whites daily, and if you are a vegetarian, always make sure that you take vegetarian products which are high in calcium, and try to walk daily especially in the morning hours, which has good sunlight, which gives some vitamin D to our body, as well as it tries to maintain the tone. The third thing is at least weekly once or twice, if you are a non-vegetarian, please do have chicken or fish which has got a good content of vitamin B12, which is important for our nerves to keep them healthy. And if you are a vegetarian, try to have good amount of green leafy vegetables. People who travel, my advice is, if you are traveling on a two-wheeler, you always make sure that if it is a bumpy road, or if it is the road has got potholes, always make sure you drive slow, so that there is no jerky movement to your neck which will cause neck strain. And people who are hardcore workers, wherein they tend to bend their neck and work, always make sure that you don't bend your neck for a long time too frequently. Take care of your neck so that your neck takes care of you. And another important thing is how to sleep. That is most important thing. Do we need to use a pillow or not? That is one of the important things that people do have a query upon. So whenever you sleep on a bed, make sure that you always sleep on a side, then you turn to become straight, and whenever you get up, turn to a side, then get up. Okay. Never get up straight or never sleep straight. That takes a lot of toll on your spine. When you turn and sleep, make sure that you use a thick pillow. For me, I need this thicker pillow. I use a thin pillow. I'm going to bend my neck and I'll wake up with a very bad neck pain. So always make sure that you use a thick pillow when you sleep on a side. Do not tuck your hand underneath your head when you sleep on a side. Try to keep it straight and use a thick pillow. And when you sleep straight, you can use a thin pillow, which will start from your shoulder, neck, and your head. Okay. So follow all these simple rules so that you can take care of your neck properly. Thank you everyone.